Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Ray-Ban model, Aviator RB3025, in color code W3275. It's a silver color frame. The temples have a black finish at the tip of the temples. This is the back of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. The lenses are a silver mirror color and is a fashion aviator shape. They are RXable as well. Up here we have the Ray-Ban gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth in this bag, and a Ray-Ban booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.